In this video, we are going to learn how to freeze or lock the features that we don't want to edit it. So we'll go for options. In system options, we have journal tab. We'll click on journal option, and there we have one option is called enable freeze bar. When we select this and do OK, so here you can see in your feature manager tree you will get a yellow line. This yellow line we can drag and adjust which features we want to lock it. For example, I want to lock the features till rib. You can see all the features will be locked. So if you try to right click and find editing feature, that editing feature option will be not coming here. So if you select anything and right click and you find that editing option is not coming here. So if you want to unfreeze it back, you can simply select that features and right click, and you can also do unfreeze by clicking unfreeze all the features, or you can go to system option and from there also you can unfreeze it. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.